Hey guys, cheer these guys. Well, you got a 14-year-old kid out here puffed up, wanting to do well. Cheer him on.
He's doing good. Come on, Josh.
Begin.
Let's go, guys.
Come on, Josh.
Attack, Joshua. Come on, Joshua. You get a grip. Attack.
Come on, Josh. Come on, Josh.
Stick with it, Josh.
Step over, Josh. Get your leg over quick before it puts you in half. Again. Do it again, Josh. Get base.
Come on,
Get base
Sandy,
as
coach
possible
him.
quickly.
Come on, Josh. Josh, get your leg out.
Get your arm, Josh. Get your
Josh,
arm.
no.
Start attacking, Joshua. Start working
Josh.
on his base. Go, Josh. Go.
Josh,
Go, Josh. Yes, go. Go, go, go.
Stick with it, Josh. Come on, you got this.
come on, Josh.
Yep, Josh. Go, go. Go now. Quickly. Turn. Turn your body, Josh.
Sit back, I'll wait.
Come on, Josh.
Get your leg up, Joshua. Come on, Josh.
Don't stop,
I'll lean
Josh.
back.
Come on,
Don't stop.
Josh. Come on, Josh.
Let's go. Ah.
Come on, Josh. Josh, sit up all the way when you get in the arm.
Clear his leg quick, Josh. Clear his leg quick.
Tough one.
Come on, Josh.
Oh. You're doing good,
Josh,
Josh.
be careful with that knee of his.
Josh, stand up. Pass from standing.
Come on, Josh.
Good job, Josh.
Come on, Josh. Come on, Josh. Josh, keep your...
Keep it.
Josh, keep your base low.
Stop time. Nope, nope. Stay exactly where you're at. Ready? Begin. Thank you, lady.
Sit.
Come on, Josh. Ah. Come on, Josh.
Split your leg, Josh.
You're doing good, Josh. Don't stop.
Come on, Josh. Don't get frustrated. Come on. You're doing good. Come on, Josh.
Josh, lift
Chin
your
down.
heel up to your butt. Lift it up to your butt again. Lift your heel up to your butt. There you go.
Come on, Josh. Come on, Josh.
Sit down, Josh. Nice and tight. Keep going, Josh. Don't let that bother you, Josh. Suck it up. Bring your knee in tight. Fight for it.
Come on, Josh. Come on, come on, come on.
You gotta isolate your torso first, Josh. Cross facing, Josh. Free some space. Cross facing. Get it tight. Get it tight. Get
Come
it
on,
tight.
Josh.
Keep it there. Now start moving your hips at the same time. Knee up. You gotta coordinate there.
Come on, Josh.
Ooh. 2 minutes.
Come on, Josh. Josh, don't let him get that. Josh, don't. Oh.
Stop time.
Good job, guys.
You did good, man. How about the score?
Good job.
Winner.
All right.
Next time. Hey, you did work like that about 14 years ago? Larry, what color you got on?
Another.
Oh,